Hello, hello. Welcome back. Lower the music a little bit here. How we doing? YOLO. Good to see you back, students. We saw us in London. Little P&L change here in that duration. Nothing that we couldn't fix. So yeah, I would say let's break it down and then see if we can change from red to green. Daily time frame. Let's start there. What can we say about the daily time frame now? Let's make up a story. So we got these heavy supports down here and some heavy resistances up there. Price came up, we tapped this, and we first created this range. Then we came up again, rejected again, came down, broke these lows, came all the way back up, retested it, broke the highs, and then came back down. So now we are back inside this range. We closed heavy bearish, the next day opened up, retested those highs, closed weak, bullish inside this range, and now the current daily, we already came all the way down, broke these previous lows, and tapped into these supports, and currently pushing up pretty heavy. So maybe we trying to get back and break the daily highs again, and then tap the top of this zone, or even continue, or at least, you know, break the daily highs. So I think there's some room to go up. Yeah, so let's check out the 4-hour time frame. We got a resistance up there, support down here if we close bullish, which we might do. We still got 2 hours, but we got one confirmed right here. And yeah, on the left, yeah, looks like we have a hard time getting through these supports here on Goldie. 4-hour broke all these lows and is now breaking the previous highs, pushing through them like it's nothing. So let's see, 1 hour just opened up, no bottom wick, and closed no top wick on the previous, but we closed above. Let's move this up here, close above this one, but we also have some resistance up here. We just blasted through. See if it remains there. We still got 52 minutes. This just those are just the first 8 minutes of the candle. That's pretty crazy. And then 30 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, same ranges pretty much. So you got this one, which is pretty small, so you don't want to trade in this one. And you got a clean range above, you got clean range below. So yeah, the ranges look pretty easy to play today. We got buys above here. We just need some fresh support to buy. If we sustain above here, looks good for buys. If we get a resistance formed and then we close inside this range, get another resistance close below, and we got some range 2 to be confirmed to go down and fill this range. And yeah, that's the plan.
W plan. Crazy.
How you doing, bro?
Bro, hungover.
You celebrate.
Nothing. Just did a bit of housewarming party.
Nice.
with a bunch of friends. Yeah, happened very randomly.
Hey, Luz.
Well, boys, and how I be hopped on in Asian.
Oh yeah, bro. I went to see Lewis in Asian. Orchid was there, Benji was there, and Poka was there.
What's up, Sia? And Spine, how you doing, bro? Which trade did I take? Was a 5-minute AB strategy trade. But we took some sells, but the bullish momentum was too much. Was just too much. But a nice try. Would take it again.
Alex. I'm in this NQ buy.
Holy.
Yeah. So this on the 5 minute last impulse down. 5 waves. Level 4.
You got
I entered
2k,
here.
dang.
Yeah, but I'm gonna let it rock. I'm thinking adding something there and then letting it rock to 5k. Maybe we take a 5k today. And worst case is I'm just gonna hold. Might sound stupid to some people, but yeah, I'm just risking 645 on that. If that gets activated, okay, maybe a bit more. But if NQ and the equities just want to run, then bro, I don't want to stop it. I just want to hop onto a trend like this. And the daily, I think, looks set to flip and drive. So let's see. If this account goes, let's say it blows, after, let's say this scales in and somehow like the SL gets hit and that's account gone. I mean, that's fine as well. Because last night we took a payout. Yeah. So today I'm just having fun. That's it.
Insane, bro. Insane.
No serious trading today from me. Just a disclaimer.
He says while he's up 2k.
I don't know if this scales in and then drops. But again, what do we have? Yeah, we still... I think right now closures above make sense. Kind of like this. Then something like this. If this ends up forming around 9:30, 9:15, 9:30. Maybe then, or maybe we just keep blasting through. Or we reject all the way down. and start breaking these lows. Anyways, how's everybody doing, guys? Why is everybody so quiet? Or is it just me that is feeling that way? Alex, Allison, Benji, roll call, guys. Aaron, Legrand, Lewis, Lydia, Amitria, Danji, Pokash, Patas, Tamer. Hello. Hello. What's up? Let's go, guys. Let's get some energy going. Come on. Yeah.
Morning, gang.
Where's the coffee? Where's the coffee, everybody? Tamer, how many trades have you taken since the morning? How many W's? I don't want to go look at Tamer's channel. Sorry, the Prophet's channel. I don't want to look at that. 3 wins, 1 loss.
Dang,
Crazy. And what about the size? How's your sizing these days? I mean, you are getting to know this for the first time, and it's been a while, yeah. Okay, so 5 MGC is consistent, like constant, or do you have a plan going forward? How you're gonna scale in and out? 3 to 5? Yeah, crazy. Yeah, because 5 MGC, even a 5 MGC trade can just get you back anytime.
Are you doing the risk-free one too, Tamer?
Mm,
Yeah, that's nice.
crazy.
Yeah, I like that. I like that idea of going risk-free and letting them play out.
Yeah. Okay, what's up with Goldie? Yeah, Goldie and NQ look the same. Nah, not really. Okay, why did I draw those levels last night? Lewis did this in Asia, right? These levels? I think you drew
Yeah,
them in Asia.
yeah.
Damn. Okay. Alright, fuck it.
Goalie. Oil is dumping.
Oil.
Hmm. Man, Asia was something else, man. I don't know if they were manipulating the markets or what in the heck was going on.
You guys catch some good trades?
No,
Uh,
no, because of that. Look at Look at look at oil, but look at my screen.
I see. Wait.
But look at this, bro, on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
This is crazy. This is actually crazy.
Baron Trump. What?
That is insane, bro. And it juiced up. Oh, on oil, it juiced up for 10 minutes, and then the minute right after that, it corrected the entire move. That dude, it was insane. I don't know. I guess that was somebody manipulating the markets or something, but I didn't see anything as far as news, so I don't know what was going on.
Yeah, that's a $5 gap.
Yeah, just some light.
Leave up, sitting down here. Oh, good morning, bro.
Yeah, goalie's way too bullish. Yo, Orchid, how you doing?
Full port, eh? No, Hawker, there was literally nothing. Literally nothing.
Alright, guys. This is what I see on MNQ. I've drawn all the levels, all the buys, all the trades that can be taken. The only thing that is left for us to do is figure out which one has the higher likelihood of playing out. So we'll let the market do its thing and then see. Anyways, one of the trades we are already in, so that's a W. There is a nice RBS on NQ. I'm gonna take a high risk trade there. Nice.
What is it?
Nice.
Full port Thursday?
Hey Alex, send in the chart. Here? This or the A plus? Yeah, A plus, bro. Brother 15, do you have a top wick or nah? You have? Bro. Okay, so either this candle, this 15, turns out to be a 15 candle like this, or it comes here, takes Alex, and then it flies, so that everybody eats. Yeah. W Alex. I heard you guys had a really nice NY session yesterday.
Did we
I don't know.
break even trade, right? Yeah, was pretty good. I mean, it was just this one trade, and then we managed it good. So
And what about NQ? There was something on NQ as well, right?
I didn't take anything, so I can't remember.
Thank you. I know I didn't take anything.
Bro, okay. I guys, just delete the last 30 seconds of your memory. The last 30 seconds of this conversation. Yeah. W
I know
Alex, welcome to the club, bro.
we had that BE.
That
On
dude.
gold, right enough.
Yeah.
I think that was it. No stop loss, no TP.
W. I took the 15-minute TJL2 yesterday. Bro, Benji. What a legend, bro. Took your time with it, but still killing it. W, bro. Nice.
Yeah, no, I watched a little bit of the boot camp yesterday. After Asian, I just opened up the recordings and I was just going over everything.
Was a win.
And I could see. What's up?
Sia says it was a win. W.
YOLO. I see YOLO's there. Damn, and Q. Gonna have pushed a little bit lower.
Boring gold. We got unemployment.
Oh yeah, unemployment claims coming in. Expect 211.
Yo, Lewis, what you saying?
The news, the unemployment claims.
Oh, there's news. Holy!
I mean, it's an orange folder. I don't know why they switched it over to orange now.
It used to be
So
red.
yeah, it used to be red every week. So we'll
And
see.
even
See.
PMI.
Yeah,
Yeah,
also
the
orange.
the manufacturing PMI. So actual less is good for currency.
Okay, Alex, to do that, you need to link it. So you see this link thing there? This? So it needs to be the same color as your order, this order panel. So whenever you change it like this, it changes with it. So this order, top left of this order, there's this link button. So if you click it, you'll see various colors. So here the link that I have is blue, so I just have it at blue. If you have it at white, you can do that. So this is also very interesting and very rarely talked about features. So this can give you a lot of flexibility down the line when you are like when you have been like a seasoned 5 years into the game, fully profitable kind of trader. So these kind of things might help then. But how do you know, AB? You haven't been profitable for 5 years. I mean, I don't know. I don't know.
But you got 5 years of profit.
Oh, nah, profit is just a byproduct of a lot of things, basically, a lot of things. Um, Life situation, your mental framework, and not like the in general mental framework, but the mental framework that you are in at the point when you are entering a trade. Yeah, let's say you have your bills due, and then you see an A plus. Of course, on an A plus, you would want to enter heavier, but you enter it, a little bit of drawdown, it goes there, and then all of a sudden the bills start revolving around. So again, how is somebody expected to get over that just like that? It doesn't happen. So to counter set, or like just to offset that thing, what you can do is work on other things that you can control that give you confidence on each and every day. Yeah, you don't have to go on and kill it in everything that you're doing in a day. It's just you need to have like two three core things to go about it, because these things give you confidence. These things give you the importance of repetition, practice, doing the same thing. Why? Because if you're following a certain pattern or a certain flow, your body would start adapting to it, and then give it like a month, and then you are a completely different person. And at that point, now if you expect this guy to get over the emotions of thinking about bills, he would be able to do that, or she would be able to do that. So yeah, so profits don't matter. What really matters is you know what you're doing, and you're fair with yourself with the consequences. If you're full putting a trade, you know, and if you win, so W, I mean, like, fucking celebrate it. I'm not gonna be the one here telling you, nah, don't celebrate it. because you wanted that. You full ported it. But again, if you take a loss, then be okay with it. That yeah, I full ported it. I had accepted the account is gone, and now it is actually gone. So why start crying about it? Just know what you're doing and doing what
Facts.
you know. Some people don't know what they're doing, they don't know anything. And yeah, they're just doing things because, it sells. Sales is easy, consulting isn't. But that is what I believe.
So we had higher numbers. So actual more is bad for currency. Good for gold.
Yeah, gold is running up.
Haha, W Tamir. Welcome to the club. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Full Port FC.
Full port FC.
Nice name, no, bro?
Still got sell limits up here. Yeah, they could work out.
Bro, goalie on a run. Gold T on a run.
Well, it's been juicing for an hour.
Yeah.
More. 2 hours. Been 2 hours. Damn, gold.
This is like, damn, go.
All got into gold.
That's why he's the GOAT.
Didn't
I
expect
just want
gold
to
to
see
do
where.
that.
What, bro?
Didn't expect gold to do that.
But again, there's such a clean volume, clean flow of price. We just need to be. I think if we are patient, we'll get something good.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see where these buys are coming from. What makes sense? There's nothing makes sense. It's just like this. What, supply demand? This is how you do it, right? Supply and demand.
I guess.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Never
Yeah, I
do
never really
that.
studied the plan, man. I think
What are the
everything's
higher time
almost the same.
frames, bro? What are the higher time frames? See, the cleaner it pushes up. That's good. That's good. That's good for us.
Yeah.
What is the risk here? 65? Yeah, let's see if something forms here. I don't mind because on the structure with the TJL2, which got activated this zone when we got here, when this price action was forming. Yeah, so that could be a good trade. Otherwise, we're just gonna just continue shooting up.
That aligns well with the 1 hour, the 5 minute, 15 minute.
Lewis, are you
You know,
saying
you
what
know
I'm
that
thinking?
full port FC.
But you gotta be
Full port and
careful. It's the daily break of the highs right there.
Oh,
oh, bro, if that daily flips, I don't see it stopping before there. Yeah.
Or maybe close
Mm,
bullish and then tomorrow choose on a Friday.
could be, could be.
But it's dangerous up there.
I mean, bro, technically, let's just think about it. Okay, what's the danger? The danger is, okay, maybe daily break of the highs and push. But you tell me, how many times have you seen the daily? Okay, how many times have you seen daily re-break the high and push compared to daily re-break the high and just not push?
Yeah, that makes sense
Yeah,
actually, yeah.
exactly. And this is your last resistance. Last. Yeah, last resistance. And then let's just look at the chart. From this point, forget about any strategy. From this point, there was aggressive red candles. Yeah, of course, this was again aggressive, but you can just see how this was just manipulation leg up here, and then we moved down. So could this be a similar move? There is no clear structure here. First of all, so that is something. And what do we know? Clean range, clean sells. Yeah, clean range, clean buys. We don't want to take a trade like that in this chop, in this chop, in this chop. This is so good. So now let's look at the risk now. So this is 67 pips, this zone. Okay. So now what you can do is if you're not feeling risky, yeah. If you want to play it safe, let the candles, whenever the candles are here, let them form. If the candles start dropping, okay, aggressively, then we know, okay, we are not gonna get a sell limit kind of entry here, okay. But in this case, what would be the best case to take a sell is if it goes up, breaks this high, struggles to push, starts closing below, then we like figure out a way to enter it. Yeah, this is how you enter. Or you can just put a limit sell here, but again, in that case, you won't have stops. Stops have to be then here. But again, that's 84 pips, so rather have a sell limit here. Or simple. Let's keep it very simple. Either you take a 1 minute engulfing entry, or you just take any 5 minute red entry using those stops. Risk accordingly. So that is it. I mean, bro, it's just a level from one of the strategies that happens to be our strategy, that happens to work. And again, it's a risky trade, but every time the biggest money was made when the risk was high. But here, if you just logically think about it, bro, there's nothing to risk. This is just a zone. 67 pips. Just go to MGC. Yeah. Just like what? 120, 130 something, 134. dollars of drawdown. But you know, if it wants to come down, it come down very quick, very nice. 15 TJL, 5 TJL2 also happens to be that one, not TJL. All right, I miss George. Where's George?
For real. So yeah,
Yeah.
sell limits up here. Full pot that.
I mean, yeah, why not? But the thing is, this is Goldie. So Goldie can do anything right now. So rather than a sell limit, so sell limit, if anybody wants to go for it, go low risk. Yeah. Because this looks very bullish. And the safer entry, guys, y'all can do. Um, y'all have a better stop loss, basically. All right, give me a minute.
Dang, we lost loose. Yeah, I like that too, Allison. Let's see if we get some 1 minute red candle in that zone or something, and then get a confirmation.
Yo, what's up?
Yo. Lose you back.
Get on my iPad. I don't know why my laptop doesn't connect to anything.
Dang.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm gonna try to shut it down and try to get it back on.
I love the way you analyze the RB. I'm rather nervous with gold at the moment. I like the idea. Yeah, I mean, see, we get nervous about things that we can't control. In charts, what happens is we get nervous when we don't have a good read on the price or we don't have a good idea of what we are looking for or what the price action is doing. So whenever that happens, right, you start becoming anxious about anything. Just go back to the basics. Just do your analysis again. Make sense of price. Just try to read price what is happening. And if overall your reads are good, then your reads are good. Yeah, there are definitely gonna be 1 or 2 times when the reads go mad. Like this. What can we do about this? Shall we them in queue? I mean, this volatility. Holy. Guys, I would say the volatility is a bit too high. Wait for confirmation before entering. Yo, and Q. Brother. Alex? Alex? Did you get in?
Nope, I did.
You did?
No.
Oh, damn, Yanush. Okay, so now you know how it feels.
Oh, I knew that before.
Oh, okay. Alright, give me a minute, guys. Be right back. What's up with Goldie?
Wow.
Goldie, yeah, guys, you know the plan. Wait for a confirmation. Wait for a confirmation. Volatility is. Markets have been tricky since the night. Price action has been. Yeah. Alright, give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Well, can you do?
That came out of nowhere too.
Yeah.
Was that the reaction for news or something?
I don't know. Aaron Trump getting out of the trade again. One minute. If next candle opens without bottom. Okay, would have been nice. That would have been nice. And she coming down again.
It is.
Mm,
Oh,
not
it's
really.
ranging there again.
No.
Yeah, these moves have been happening quite a bit often now. But it's just time to be patient. Nothing we can do.
Yellow. I should have closed it at 2K, right, boys?
It's gonna go back up.
Sure.
LB.
LB. Yeah. LB like. Yo, YouTube. Sorry, I completely forgot about you.
Diddy did it.
Did he did it? Oh wait, what? Guys, sorry. Sorry, YouTube. I wasn't looking at the chat. I'm so sorry. Love you guys. See ya. What's up, bro? How you doing? Mugs, bro. What up? What up? What up? Daily didn't break the high yet, right? On NQ. Last time it came up? Yeah, no, it didn't. It didn't. Let's see.
Well, I think came down and bounced off the VWAP and then went and then rejected.
Pocket's favorite VWAP. Let's go. Dude, I'm good. I'm good, Mugs. How are you, bro? How has everything been?
Mugs, good morning, bro.
Um, let's just let it rock. Crazy push down is what we needed to get activated. Alex, are you still close to a payout, Alex? Faster than 50 points and whatnot, yeah. TNG. Bro, I love your stories. Love your stories. Just a little trade screenshot, hand on the whip, driving down, listening to Hindi songs in London and UK. Bro, how late? What a life.
Yeah, Alex. I seen the drop on AB screen and I was just waiting to hear the activated sound on my top step, but yeah. Yeah, honestly, it's been a ride for these two too. I've planned to take a payout today if I take a fat win, but I'm down now, and I missed that banger on NQ right there. Or it missed me. Us.
I think just another speck of volume and should come grabbing that.
Yeah.
Yo. I think 9:30 could be a good play.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Market is turning, boys. But again, I don't see either we crash all the way down. This was the final push up. Or this will continue. More caffeine. Oh, that reminds me. I haven't had caffeine today. Let me grab a coffee as well. Allison, what are you going for? Legrand, what coffee is Allison going for, bro? Oh shit, you wouldn't know. Because all you get is water. Mushroom coffee.
Aaron with that red apple.
Oh my god. Is that man? the wrong. Introducing
Aaron.
Aaron, bro, you coming today or what? What's the scene? Are you driving downtown on the autobahn doing 390 on the freeway while your account is sitting at 420 in the green?
I have a meeting, bro. Later tonight.
L, bro. L's
No.
in the chat for Aaron, guys. Let's go. L's in the
Bro,
chat.
I tried. What am I gonna do?
Bro, in the end, it doesn't even matter, bro.
You're right.
Right. Hey, Aaron, who pissed you off, bro?
Wait a minute.
You look pissed off. You look like you're about to drop some bombs on people that be lying or stuff.
No. I just be eating the apple, bro.
Hey, that's cool.
One nice red farmer apple.
Shout out.
You know what I need with that? Shout out Black Forest. Still That's what it is.
There we go. There's the energy. Everybody's up now.
We're waiting for Aaron.
Hey. Sorry.
Bro, Aaron is the party starter. Bro, remember that song by Will Smith? Whoa, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So,
Is that me?
yeah, bro.
I like that.
Whenever you step into the room, the vibe changes. Crazy.
Is that how it was in college, Aaron?
Bro, let me tell you something about that outside YouTube.
About what?
About Aaron's college life, bro.
Yo, no.
Yo, goalie running up.
My boy just didn't give a fuck.
No, maybe. Don't be
Goldie
throwing those-
running.
Yeah, it's coming.
My
What are you
bad,
doing?
my bad.
Oh,
My bad.
what's going on? I'm like, let me get locked. Maybe what you do?
Yeah,
Um,
Benji.
Green?
I like to use this one for, you know.
Bro, I'm looking for sales here. Oh, you mean I'm in this since
Yeah,
here.
that's all.
Since
He
here.
was up like 10K on that trade.
Bro,
Yeah, close.
2K. Dude, I was up 2K.
Have you? You're right. I'm going today.
Now, I didn't see the thing is that's a scaling entry. This is what I'm
Right.
thinking. But
Come
it
on.
doesn't need to play out. It can be NL in the next candle. This is again, as I said, guys, at the beginning of the stream. I'm just trying to have fun trading today. I'm not doing any kind of serious trading, because at LSS we don't get too serious about things that don't matter. All we get serious about is the screenshots in the payout sections and the profit sections and the screenshots that you are taking every day on the crazy trades that everybody has been taking, collecting data and building towards a time where trading feels fun. Yeah. Fun not in a bad way, but fun in a very good way, where you actually start enjoying life. So yeah, that's what's up. Janosch, brother, how was London?
Aaron took a W.
Hey yo, crazy.
Yeah, but nothing for me there. No
Yeah.
trades.
Maybe. We gotta go
Yo.
to Houston.
What?
We gotta go to Houston.
Oh, Houston, Texas. Yeah, I'll be there. June.
Yes, Louis. Lighten ourselves up.
Going to the World Cup. The World Cup.
Going to
Hell
the
yeah.
world. Louis G. That's where I'm going.
Yeah, World Cup don't even matter, bro. I mean, it does, but it don't.
World Cup matter, but I mean, does it?
Hey, Aaron, W on the payout, man.
Hey,
I
that
just,
was you,
I
bro. On the
just,
payout.
I just seen
Hey, Louis W on the payout, man.
that.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, I took a payout on 420. Dang.
Hey, W,
Come on, Aaron. Now it's your turn to say, hey, AB, W on the payout, man.
hey, AB, W on the payout.
Let's go.
I can't keep up, bro. Really. Like that.
All right. Let me get
Yo.
a coffee. Let me get a coffee. Guys, do you
Yeah.
want to see the
Everyone get your coffee
can?
now.
Coffee can.
Coffee can. All right.
Yeah, I need that coffee now.
So my stream would turn off, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
The stream. Yeah. Let me join this.
Benji. Oh yeah, he just said it. You're muted, AB. We can't hear you. I think on purpose. Yeah.
AB hungover.
Right. The life of AB.
He's about to show Devansh and he's knocked out.
Right, exactly.
Here. Now my house is messed up to do a coffee can. Coming back to the stream. Now,
Bro,
today.
is the mod still trading?
Crazy.
Today's AV flu game. Peace, Ocker.
Flu game trading? What's a flu game?
Like Michael Jordan when he was sick.
Oh.
Alright, Auger.
Peace, Ocker.
The flu game. Crazy.
It's Goldie up too.
Was? Nah, Benji. Is.
Oh, he just opened up on the hourly. No top wick. Came down, grabbed the 30 lows. 15 lows.
Yeah, Benji, I think Goldie is hungover too.
Alright. Look at that.
So you said that 1 hour has no top weight, right?
Yeah.
Would have been better if it would have pushed up first with no bottom weight.
Yeah. That was hoping for that. Because then red candle here.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out George BDM. George.
Yeah, George. We're missing you, George.
Oh, I misheard that.
Mugs. What's up, brother? I miss you, Mugs. Yeah, man. We blessed, baby. You already know. Good to see you in here, though.
Maybe we get the 9:30 play today.
9:30.
Little impulse.
Impulse King time.
And it's time for some. Would be awesome if I can get my payout with an impulse trade then.
Hey. I think you are now that you just said it. It just sounds fitting for a king, you know? See you in Asia. Bro, should I go to Asia today?
Man, you should have seen Asia yesterday. They didn't catch anything, but that volume, man, that volume was insane.
Jeez. I saw it.
And not really volume. It was more volatility and manipulation.
Yep. Straight down, then straight up.
Yeah, dude, that it was insane. It all happened within 10 minutes. So that's all I can say. There's a coffee can.
Coffee can? Lewis keeps it calm and relaxing. Nice. Asia is a vibe. Okay, Nitria.
Yeah.
W lose.
Right?
Yeah, I mean it's slow markets, I mean it's like the evening for me before I go to bed, so just trying to
No.
regretting on something that dang, this laptop barely connected back.
USD. USD.
Dang, where's Sujay? I haven't seen Sujay in a few days. Did he go back home already?
I'm not sure. I think he wrote in the chat yesterday about an oil trade. I think I saw something like that.
He would be the one to say he got an oil trade.
Yeah. Like 150 pips.
I mean, he's sitting at this Street of Hormuz. He's the first one to know when to get into oil.
Good job, CJ. Let me see. I think what is it? You guys hear that?
What?
No.
Okay. Not. The giant truck outside, like they're doing construction a little bit.
No,
It's
all
all
good.
loud. All right, all right. W microphone.
The coffee's ready.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out microphone.
Right. Microphone.
Welcome back.
What a transition. What a transition. Top player.
W. AB, what do you
I
like?
9:30.
better, or gold?
Yes, sir.
What do you like better?
Um,
NQ or gold?
Bro, very honestly, I don't want to do the mental work today of figuring out levels. But this is 115, 15-minute level that is there. Also the 5 minute, also the 1 hour. So, and then we have this daily rebreak of the highs. So if we get this, then we look for something like this, maybe. AB calling the top. They trade like that. Yeah, fuck off. Oh, sorry. My bad. Okay. No swearing on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. This cell level, that's it. Aaron.
I meant like in general, but that was something that you made a whole. Loved it.
I couldn't hear you, bro.
I meant like in general, like what's your favorite pair?
Oh,
Like what do you like better? Yeah. But still, I enjoyed that
bro,
breakdown. You're a robot.
I would say
You're underwater.
nah, not like that, bro. I would say Goldie definitely. But it's like, it's a very love-hate relationship with Goldie. But these days the relationship is going towards the love side of things. So that's running good. And again, for a little some NQ sometimes. So yeah, gold is, I would prefer gold over NQ.
Okay. I know.
These days I'm kind of Also being open to look at multiple pairs again. For example, I now consider NQ, oil, and Goldie as the main pairs.
Okay.
Because the price action is pretty similar if you look at it from the structure point of view. And these three have a lot of volatility. Also, NQ, oil, and Goli being completely they have this, like you have three star players. It's like MSN. So some
Right.
days Messi will score, some days Neymar would, some days Suarez would. So
Right.
overall, Barcelona wins. Yeah, it doesn't matter if all three of them score. So I'm
Right.
kind of going for that approach. Whichever player has the cleanest movement, I'll just trade that pair for that session. That's it.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Smart.
Lewis, what about you, bro? What do you like better, NQ or Golden?
Honestly, I like Goldie the best. It just it flows a little bit better.
Feel that? I mean, I already know
Gold.
yours. Golden.
Yeah, gold. I mean, I just got the most chart time on gold, so
Sure.
NQ is playing, bro. NQ is playing.
whoa. Yeah, goalie dropping too a little bit right now.
All right. Dun, dun.
Now, Alex, if you had AB's entry, it missed you again. NQ playing.
ASD.
Good morning, ASD.
Okay, you
Good
can.
morning, brother.
Okay. Then it doesn't matter.
It don't matter.
Yeah, gold closed. Let me open it up for you. Gold closed above. And 30 minutes is still open. We're 15 minutes away from 9:30, so maybe we get some resistance formed for 9:30 and then we can see. We will see. But nothing on that close right here.
Like so much dog hunting with these wicks. Freaking mad. I don't even see a candle draw sometimes at the moment. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's whippy. Key.
What do you got going on, guys? After this, Aaron, Yunosh, Louise.
Directly after, I will go for a walk.
Mm-hmm. Nice. It's such a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get some food.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Nice.
I'm gonna
nice.
tear it up in the gym.
Ooh, let's go, Louis.
That'll
What
be
you
fun.
hitting?
It's either gonna be I'm still undecided because I feel like I want to keep like my rotation going, and so it should be shoulder day today. But I
Mm-hmm.
feel like I just want to throw in some legs today.
Okay. Mm.
Like,
Ayo, ASD, good morning.
Good morning, ASD.
Alex. Yeah, I had just done I started with the back, then I went over to chest, then I did arms yesterday. So that's why I want to go into shoulders just to finish up the top, and then but I also want to throw in some legs because I haven't put that in yet.
Alright, we let the chat decide. Okay, Lewis. Everybody, there's a poll running for 1 hour. We take this next 1 hour to decide. Lewis
Yeah, we
gets
got-
bigger bear.
For sure.
Okay, I'm gonna vote for this.
I want to-
want to tear it up.
I want Lewis to be able to attend
Dang it.
NY tomorrow.
True.
He's not gonna be able to walk to the desk.
Come on, bro. Everybody who is dropping the legs option right now, yeah, they never train legs. They just want to say legs, because it looks good. Nah, bro, go do shoulders, bro. Tear it up, bro. Do shoulders and traps, bro. Go crazy.
Actually, it's one of the most underrated workouts is the shoulders.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, but I honestly like shoulders because you can hit it like different versions and you get a really nice workout out of that. But hey, legs is okay too.
Nah, legs is okay, But bro, who hits legs on a Wednesday? Or sorry, is
Lewis,
it
bro,
Thursday?
that's something.
On a Thursday, yeah. Okay, Lewis,
Okay.
maybe you can
Yeah.
hit legs now.
L.
Legs session. Let's go. No, but I can't wait that long.
Benji, yeah, for sure. Doing legs only on meetups. Yeah, then we gotta go to what Iron Beach. Yeah, for the meetup.
Golden Beach, bro.
Oh yeah,
Golden
Golden
Beach.
Beach. Sorry, yeah.
And then
My American GK isn't that good.
Shout out George VDN.
Shout out Georgie VDM.
George Wedding M.
enjoying your wedding in.
Yeah, Greek wedding, huh?
Yeah.
Bro.
1,500 people. They're trying to go to war or something. I don't know.
This is Sparta.
It's not even a wedding. It's training.
Right.
Imagine they all gathered up there watching the boot camp trying to train. They're just like, hey yo, listen to me. I know this guy. Very handsome gentleman known as AB. He has this strategy. Watch it now. Hey, Georgie, are you in the chat? Are you in the YouTube chat? Are you?
No chance.
Oh, nah, he's watching the boot camp, guys. Don't disturb him.
Right.
Alright. Who saw this? Guli? Is this something?
Thought about it, but I think it's not.
Okay. Yeah, till the time you thought about it, it's all good, bro. Sujay reporting straight from the office, Strait of Hormuz. He was missing for a while because his container got attacked on, and then Sujay was like, yo, let me close the trade. So then they had to completely shut down the Strait of Hormuz. And now reporting live from Strait of Hormuz, this is Sujay. Bro, it should have been on the mic right now.
Sujay dropped that oil signal.
That oil signal.
Yeah, which tanker?
Which tanker, bro? Let us know. We are waiting to go full margin. Waiting.
Already in oil buys.
Bro, already in oil buys, bro.
I knew it. I knew it.
Okay, let's see where Sujay got in. Bro, Lewis, didn't we draw this last night? No, we
Yeah.
did. Yeah. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Yeah, I should put this as my SL. Okay. Let me do that.
Benji.
Hey,
Can't say that on YouTube.
let me turn off this for a minute. The sound. Let's try for this. IW. Use this.
Nice, Alex.
Hey, you know which one will be good for a TP, you know? The things for the 20 bandos.
You got that?
20
No, that'd be a cool one.
Thanks for the 20.
All right,
bands.
guys. Let's do a fun little competition in Discord. Everybody, drop a recording of your whatever trade that you have taken. It has to be an actual trade, and then you need to send in the sound of your autofilled, the TP. Only the TPs, no SLs. Okay. So first we'll do a TP competition. Who has the best TP sound? Then we'll do who has the best SL sound, and then we'll also do who has the best autofilled replacement sound. Okay, let's do that, and let's see then what can we do with the winners. Yeah, how does that sound? Everybody send in, then we'll do a tournament brackets, and everybody votes. So the results get decided by the people. Yeah, so everybody
W.
votes, and yeah, let's do that. Let's see what we can do with the winners.
W. I mean, if you never hit TP,
Exactly. So yeah, I mean, we'll get to know who's actually taking the trays, who's actually not. Yeah.
And also gotta join Discord.
Hey,
Exactly. This happens on Discord. 15 minutes. W Sujay. Crazy bias, bro. I think 9:30 we go down. Because
On NAS.
this is then too big of a level. Yeah.
maybe.
But I could be wrong. I don't want it to go down. So far everything is holding. But it's just that if the next rejection happens somewhere here, because yeah, the bearish momentum is too much right now. Let me. Okay. I mean, I don't mind a little SumSum, to the upside. Let's see where it spikes up. If it spikes up, clearly. No, just let it rock, bro. There's nothing. I don't want to manage it here. I'll follow the initial plan I had gone for when we had gotten into the trade. Janusz, are you there?
Yep, I'm here.
Ah, correct.
You know?
Another one.
Let's look at Goldie.
Yeah, this could pump up. AP.
Yeah, let's see. I think pump up is like the direction is just like how much does it spike down before that. 15 close good. So now this rejection needs to be survived. If that happens, I think we should continue.
Mm-hmm. You still got your limits, you know?
No, on NQ.
Oh, you took them off. Oh, it's time for the impulse king. Okay.
Maybe
Post-game.
there's no volume on gold right now.
I see that.
Yeah, Goldie looks kind of weak.
Would be good if you come up, give a little high, and then come down, break the lows.
Yeah, that looks good too.
Okay, now come down, break the lows. And I'm in.
Nice.
You survive NQ?
Yeah.
Nice.
You're in something, bro? Or nah?
Nothing. I was
Okay.
waiting for
okay.
Goldie to come. Maybe break
Yeah.
these lows. Maybe we still get it.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's breaking through the previous 15.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see.
Yeah, breaking those lows doesn't look too bad, honestly.
Yeah. The only thing I don't like is that everything closed above previously. So I wouldn't be entering on these sells now on the break of the low. But if you break the lows, I'm gonna have a buy stop.
Yeah. Alright, give me a minute, guys. Be right back.
Yeah, Goldie bouncing off of the VWAP.
From here.
I mean, not Goldie, sorry. NQ.
Oh. Okay, looks like we're not coming back down.
Yeah, AJ. Yeah, I see that
Yeah.
too.
For sure. Let's see what he wants to do from there.
Such things as how very crooks.
Maybe goalie
Yo, Aaron,
still
Yep.
gives it.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming
if
down,
you,
you know.
bro, if you're coming tomorrow, right? We need to run up that freestyle again, and let's record it.
Bro, I mean, that was just off the dome, bro.
Yes, sir. You wanna
Yeah.
write a few reference points, or you're just gonna flow like that?
I'm just gonna flow, bro.
Hey, let's go. Alright. Before that, we'll talk about all the reference points. Yeah,
All right.
yeah, and then we'll take
Then
a
I got
trip
hit
from
all
there. TJ.
challenges. Yeah.
Alex, you in?
Yeah.
I mean, based off that message.
Oh,
Yeah. Maybe I thought if Alex is in, he's talking about like managing it.
Oh,
Right now, pretty easy. What you want to see is 2 candles to close above, sustain, maybe drop down a bit, and then go up. We need clean bullish volume now because these areas are heavy selling areas.
yeah.
So the only thing right now is, was it profit taking and then entering again from here for like a daily breakout, because the daily looks nice, you know, to flip and drive. And the entry is nice here. So kind of you need to play the time frames. You need to see, okay, it's not just about, you know, 1 minute. We understand all the time frames from all the various trading strategies we have come across. Yeah. So right now what you need, okay, 30 close support, okay, this 30, let's see what it does at this resistance, this minor. But we know NQ, okay, liquidity grab, pack runner grabbed, yeah, on the previous 30. Now it's coming up, it should flip and drive. I kind of expecting the same thing on the daily. But for that, I need to now, after 30, I need to look at the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour closed, kind of doji, yeah, kind of doji on the overall sense. But again, let's see what happened previous time it closed like that. Yeah, something like that. But again, this one has a big rejection wick. So maybe 1 hour takes its time to close above. But once it does, then it just pushes up. But again, whenever we'll be in this range, we have the knowledge of now 15-minute as well, right? Everybody has 15-minute knowledge. So now on the 15-minute, what would you wait for? You would wait for a closure above. But again, this is a resistance. So what can happen next? This goes up, creates another resistance, comes down. This becomes some kind of a support. Yeah, this becomes some kind of a support, and then it is ready to move up. So those are all the things that I can look at right now. So right now, that is one thing. Okay, then on the 1 minute, what you do. So now this is a big zone, right? This is a, let's talk about the selling zone right now. So this is a big zone. Okay, what happens here? Let's just see how has price been pushing. What level price is playing from. So then you go down to the 1 minute. Now on the 1 minute, you're gonna see multiple levels. But students, you know what levels are there. What are the A plus levels? So what you do is you go down to the 1 minute, you see the structure, you mark out the levels that the structure has been playing out. Is it level 1 or 2? So okay, in the last 45 minutes, if I look at the 1 minute structure, 5 minute structure, and 15-minute structure, is it all making sense? Is the level 1 getting respected or not, or level 2 getting respected or not, or 2 getting disrespected and then moving up and then creating a high. Whenever this last condition happens, yeah, when the level 2 is getting disrespected but still price is moving up, you know it's a chop day. It's a chop day. In those days, your best bet is change of character A pluses. And if the A plus is very near to the double bottom, that is your actual, the trade area. So that, then again, is the market flowing? Is the level 1 getting respected? Okay, if the level 1 is getting respected, so technically it should end up respecting this entire market flow till the time the market closes. Then on the high volume times, what you do? Near the high volume times, you figure out, okay, where can price go off to in terms of, okay, various strategies about liquidity grab. I know everybody has gone through multiple strategies, whoever is here watching this, yeah. So you understand the concept of a liquidity grab, right? You understand, you see that, okay, so then you see, okay, I expect liquidity grabs in these areas. Guys, now you know how to look at the 1 and the 5 minute. On the 1 and the 5 minute, you can read the price from there. How did I do it? How did I do it? 5 minutes. You know what happened here, right, guys? People who have studied. You know what this is. You know what this is. You know how this is. Yeah, this is on the 1 minute now, the entry. This is how deep we can go. This is how deep we can go. So let me lead the way. Let me take some stupid trades like these, but on setups. Let me take stupid losses. Maybe this comes up, I go 2.5k in profits, but I end the day 530. I don't care. Why should anybody care? But you then see and read the price live with me. What is happening? What's not happening? Yeah, what is happening on the 1 minute? You guys know. You guys know. You guys see it now. Yeah, that is it. That is it. We are reading price live right now. This is the kind of sacrifice I need to put in. But again, it doesn't feel like a sacrifice because I'm loving this. Yeah. And yeah, maybe some places this is not real trading, but bro, this is real trading. Come on.
100%.
Come
You
on.
can't do
These are
that.
IG trades. Yeah, IG trades live. All the people that I've seen trading live, they have done craziest of the craziest thing. Yeah, you see Don flipping his 100k into 1 million live. Yeah, then you see Raja doing crazy things. Yeah, then you see Nick, time to eat, consistency. Yeah, consistency has been the biggest key there. So you see all of them. So now if I've learned with my boys through all of these strategies, isn't the onus on me now to go and do the next, the most craziest thing? If I think I'm a good trader. Yeah. So, to do that, we have these zero peppers. Let's go, boys. W's in the chat. Let's go.
Hey, fire, bro.
Zero peppers, risk-free trades. W.
Crazy stuff, bro.
And I didn't have to raise um, any of the students. I didn't have to put in 3 to 4 to 5 months into them for them to comprehend this and completely shift to this. I just told them how I trade. There are certain rules that you follow, and that is it. And what I love is it's not just me who's catching these zero peppers. We don't even celebrate peppers these days. We rather cry about it because we miss it by 1 or 2 pips. This is the precision we are talking about. And everybody is taking such trades. It's not just me. So yeah, I mean, crazy,
I was gonna
crazy.
say, AB, like that also solidifies everything because you're able to teach people and they can take it on their own. You Pinjo is a great example. Alex is a great example. So many great examples, CJ. But it's one thing for you to sit up here and do it, but for other people to come in, learn it, and then do it on their own, and to not like technically, bro, like I mean, what else more do I need to say? I mean, it's crazy. But I've been saying that, bro. Just know I was the biggest fan first. Right? That'll be no, bro.
Crazy.
Just be like, oh. Indra, look at you, Indra. No. That'll be, bro.
Bro, everything in life is a TJL, bro. For some people, it's WTT, but it's all the same, bro. Everything is TJL. It's just you switch the perspective and then you find the TJL and then you ride that wave. Hey, Goli, what's up? Okay. Okay, guys, on Goldie, I would say the next possible move. You know, it's not gonna be one of those long trades, but what can be done is... Oh, yo, we have Aaron buys here.
Nice.
Yeah, Aaron buys. We have a TND entry here. Nah, TND would enter after this. We have a TND entry here. Crazy.
Everybody.
Crazy. Okay, TND already. Let's see if the... Alright, let's play a fun little game. Alright, guys, welcome to Lil SumSum. Today on the show we have some simulations, simulations and trade setups. Let's see who gets what. So on the screen on the left that you see, this RR belongs to the TND entry. If you want to know what TND entry is, join the Discord. Alright, and on the right we have another form of entry which hasn't been activated yet, but it's looking good after this rejection. These are the A buys, AA buys, okay? AA buys. Alright, so let's see. TND entry is already in. Let's go. Guys, drop a 1 in the chat if you vibe with the TND entry, and drop a 2 in the chat if you vibe with the AA buys. Okay, who's got money on what? I got my money on both, just letting you know. Because if I was trading Goldie, this would have been my entry, bro.
Tamir. He said, yeah, I know.
Tamir, I mean,
not, bro.
Tamir said I caught all three.
Easy. Tamir is
Tamir said I caught all three entries.
Tamir is like, I am the Strait of Hormuz. You guys are sitting there trading from there, but I am the Strait. Crazy. Alright, guys, so it's a W for everybody. And he shows the receipts, bro. Shows the receipt with the trades in the chat. Crazy.
Oh, Spartas, I just saw it. Looks pretty nice.
Hey, yo, what's up with NQ? Oh my god. How late? Maybe this guy does know something. Now it taps this, reverses. Crazy. If I actually want to scale in, let me TJL that thing. Alright, okay. Rather than this, I'll get a better entry as well. Rather than that, alright, let's go.
Rather than that. Way to go.
Rather than that, let's scale in here. And then yeah, then we let it rock. Yeah. Let's see what happens when the daily breaks. If the daily breaks previous daily highs, let's see what happens there. That would be interesting because now the daily has flipped. Should drive. Let's see.
Louis, do you get in that?
On what, the Nasdaq?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. It was way too late to the party.
Grab me. Come on. Grab me. Brother. I mean, I don't mind if it just moves straight up, but yeah, grab me. Whoa. All right. We're in.
I heard that.
Sure. Alright, what is the risk now? Whoa. Yeah, I got slipped like heavy, I guess. The risk is too much now. Alright.
You're wild. This one.
I'll just go get water, guys.
What are you
Yeah,
looking at, Aaron? Nothing?
Nah, nothing really for me right now. Waiting for Goldie to do something. But I have to pick a bias, maybe bias here, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Kind of waiting like for a break above 61.7 or like break below 47.40 really at this point.
Hmm.
But we gonna see.
Okay.
Just watching price.
Hey, Tomer. Full TP.
Hey, I'm here. W, brother.
Telling you, I love watching Tamer win.
For real, bro. This dude.
Fill that profit section up.
Exactly. All that up. All the trades, throw them in there. And I see them crying about
You guys looking at anything? I'm tired of looking at this trade. I'm just gonna talk with y'all. What's up?
No. Already had nothing right now. Goldie's not trying to play.
Nothing is
NQ's
happening.
already. Yeah, NQ's already juiced.
Let's see how the hourly opens or closes. Aaron, both the buys played out, bro. Crazy.
Wow.
Crazy.
But not so wild. Makes sense.
You would have, bro, crazy. Nice.
Give me that moment.
Aaron Q, what's up?
What is
1 hour.
that?
Yeah, 1 hour resistance. What, bro?
So it looks like Lewis is gonna do a leg there.
Dang, where's it at? Let me see.
I just go
75%. Dang. Oh man, I'm gonna die tomorrow.
and I'm gonna wait for good sales. Nice brother. You know how you doing over there, brother?
Just waiting. Also waiting on gold sales.
Yeah, makes sense. When does United play next, AB?
Bro,
What's
no
up?
idea. No idea.
Like on Monday, though. Yeah.
But bro, we got the Champions League semi-final this week.
Oh no.
Yeah, bro.
Crazy.
28-29.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Yeah.
So Jay is gonna be there.
In Paris.
Nah.
Mhm.
In Wiesbaden.
Hey.
Dang, is this 15 gonna close bearish on NQ?
I'm looking at the 1 hour.
Okay.
Q.
I might be interested in the impulse buys on gold. Not wow, open. Better see how we close and open.
Let me scale that position out if I'm able to. Because I kind of want bigger stops. That scaling isn't playing out, so let's see. Yeah, this 15 looks deadly. Bye, guys. Alright, Legrand. Take care, bro.
Upendra.
Peace, Brent.
Oh, Upendra. Sorry. My
Oh.
bad.
Peace, Upendra.
Peace, Upendra.
I was like, let me look.
I was like, what?
Upendra. The grandson even here. Come on, Legrand. You know, she might be interested in these buys with you.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Alex, what an awful closure.
Wanna have a buy stop on gold?
Whoa, let's go.
See how steep this gets. We keep bleeding, then it's not valid. All right.
Don't want to play.
I think it's too much. 94. I mean,
I feel that.
still okay.
Yeah. It's tricky.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. But if it breaks lows one more time, then I'm gonna
Okay,
delete
that's
it.
it. Yeah.
Everything over 100 here isn't really good.
Hey.
That actually was a dope sound though.
Crazy. Yeah, but nice rate. Original entry still valid though.
Brett, the scaling in.
Nah.
Okay.
I mean, it looked promising. It looked promising.
it did.
Didn't
It
look
did.
like this.
Look, I
Yeah. 5 was also in line.
W, bro. Really, that's crazy,
Yeah.
bro. I mean, bro, if that would have hit that, you'd be like, getting close to 20K for this one.
Nah, I'll try it here again, bro.
I know you would.
Huh? Because this rejection again, this one.
see if I get cooked.
Hey, Alex. Yeah, sometimes it do be like that. It never wants to activate. That's the thing, man.
Yeah, that's crazy, Alex.
Yeah. All right, Janusz, let's go.
See. Plan is giving this for our top wick. Previous closed bullish, 1 hour closed bearish, but we closed no bottom wick. So, and we got this steep bottom wick on the 4 already. Let's see
Nice.
if we can get to this point where we can close some partials and then abuse. Gonna be right back.
Yes, sir.
Whoa. What's going on?
We got volume.
Yeah, wrong direction though.
Wrong direction.
Would be nice if this engulfs now.
Maybe you got activated.
Yep.
Let's go.
Okay, 4-hour bottom wick. I mean, looks good. I wouldn't want to sell against 4-hour like that.
On the 4-hour, man. Oh yeah.
But maybe because we have too many rejection wicks.
Wait, let me put your screen on.
Yeah, we
Got you.
yeah, because we have too many rejection wicks. Could be a case where either it is a very slow trade going up. Again, just like AJ also said that 27,000, yeah. So my chop around here could be a sideways trade. The original entry was really good. That scale in wasn't that smart, very honestly. But again, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. What can we do? So that and yeah, let's see. This 4-hour, is this enough of a bottom wick and what it does? 1 hour again, is this a support now or is this just a minor, like a step down here? 30, yeah, 30. This closure. If it closes below, then depending upon how it closes. Alright, so we have this 15 support here. If 15 takes support here in this level, yeah, could be good. Okay. 5 minute. This 5 minute should hold these supports. Or if it closes below, then another one you want to reject here and then close above here. So that is what you're looking for at the 5 minute. We still have how many? 3 minutes to go. So 1 minute, what all we can see. Okay. We might come down to test this low, but if we close below, this SL is gone. And yeah, I think this rejection is the last line of defense. If it closes below, then it's gone. Otherwise, this still looks good. So now I want this 1 minute to start going down. It's okay, but now start rejecting and the next 1 minute to close above and continue the structure above. Otherwise, this entire zone could be a very chopped area. So that's it. Also for this XFA, this is the last trade. This was a fresh XFA. So this is the last analysis that I have. So I'm gonna let it rock. Because after this, if it holds these lows and starts breaking these highs on the 1 minute structure, then you are expecting this entire price to just shift up slowly, not rapidly, because that should have happened here. But that didn't happen. So yeah, let's see, and let's see how this 5 closes now. So one tried closing below but is holding this support. So now you want another 1 minute candle to start closing above. That is how you would want to look at price. That is how you can read the 1 minute. Yeah, so let's just read it together. Because then I'm not anxious about the trade. I still know, okay, it is near the entry, it's all right. But again, like, does this price action make sense? Yeah, so let's just try to read it. Okay, so now you want the 1 minute to engulf and maybe test out that rejection again.
God is trying enough.
Yeah, interesting how this 15 gonna close. Even if it goes slightly bullish, that's a big win. W.
Cody, what the hell is that?
Let's just hope we don't get liquidity grabbed and then it looks good. Yeah, we also don't really need a 15 bottom wick because this is the 30-minute. If we re-break the highs, should at least retest these zones.
If this 15 comes down, I would look to scale in on NQ and draw down. So kind of expecting like actually attempting a sniper entry on the scale in. If that happens. If that doesn't happen, all good. Now I want this 1 minute to maybe come here, create a support. Then the next 1 minute comes here, a resistance, another support, and then it moves up outside of this. And then we have these two rejection areas to take care of. So how does that look on the 5 minute? On the 5 minute, now we have clean area. So if this 5 goes up and closes above this resistance, then the next one you would expect 5 to come down and then flip and drive and cover this entire range. And then what happens here would be interesting. Yeah. So this is how you can read the candles. In terms of structure, how you can read it is you just look at the 5 minute. What do we have? We did close above. No, this is the highest point. And we never closed above. So technically this is it. So, and this general area currently is in play ever since NYSE. So that means, okay, holding strong. You know what this is. Yeah. So that is how you get read through structure. Simple as that. Same price, different ways, just trying to make confluences of everything. What I don't really like about this 15 is if it had some kind of a rejection wick like this, I would have loved it. But again, I don't hate it. Why? Because the 1 hour, 1 hour candle now looks nice all of a sudden. And 4 hour again, tried going down, tried breaking its low. So its low is here right now, which was formed here. So now after that it came back down and then tried breaking the lows again, couldn't. So now what I need is this push to sustain, start closing above here, and then take a bit of time or just push through. So that is how you can read price. So if that doesn't happen, maybe it finds resistance here. So then I would want this 15 to come down, again reject from here. So now technically this, for a sniper entry kind of scenario, you can look for this. Yeah, look for just this range. And again, think about it logically. Rejections, rejections, rejections. What candle is closing where, it keeps getting stronger and stronger, the confluence. And again, on top of that, if you can look at 27,000 as a number, as a good number, round number. If you have some kind of a very small sample set of data, so you can use that as well here. Yeah. But keep noting down what are you using when. Just be aware about how you're trading. Are you taking a trade because I'm taking it, or are you taking a trade because it's your trade and I just happen to AB just happened to execute it, or Janosch happens to execute it. So is it like that? So these are the things, just keep thinking about, rather than what the PNL is. Because right now we are reading charts, we are reading price action. Whenever you are on a stream, just lock in, because we are not here just to have fun all the time. We are here to make money. Because guys, everybody got into trading for money. Nobody got into it to become a better person, which it eventually makes you. Yeah. So when we are here, so let's just focus on this, right? Maybe try reading it. next time. I hope you guys were able to catch in terms of okay, what am I looking at? In terms of candle closures, in terms of the structure, in terms of higher time frames, in terms of 27,000. So all those inputs have come from you guys. Yeah. And then we can also look at okay, Orchid's favorite VWAP. What is it doing? It's chilling around here. Yeah. And what is happening in these areas? Rejections. So if I go on the lower time frames, if I go lower, then again 5 minute, just kind of testing that. 1 minute, okay, because we just created resistance, of course, like VWAP has to be there. So now that is why we need the push above and closures above so that this VWAP can now turn a resistance becomes a support. So maybe that flow of price happens here like this, and then it struggles. VWAP keeps moving up, then an aggressive move up, which brings VWAP here, and then an aggressive move down, and then boom. Yeah. So this is how you can think of price. You use VWAP, you use standard deviations. Those are all just tools, but keep on using them. Day VWAP and session VWAP. Okay. Okay. So, what do you say that if it reaches the top, I just call it? What do you think about the TP, AJ? Come on, Goldie, push. It's just chopping around.
Yeah, it's trying to break through this.
Yeah.
Looks good though. See the bullish pressure.
Yeah.
Just don't hope there's like a random bleeder coming in, because that would be sad.
Mm.
But currently it's looking good.
It's looking good, boys.
Finally. See if we can get partials.
Let's go, Goldie.
Let's go, Goldie. Let's go. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go. You know, shit hits your partials and then we call it, yeah? Oh, wait, I'm getting a call. I'll be offline, boys. Yeah.
Yeah, we can call it if we hit partials. Actually, let me close for. Gonna close 90%. Give us the final push. There's no reason to come down now. I'm gonna market execute this market for close partials. Alright, close right here. Let's see, I'm gonna move my stops to break even, and yeah, got the loss back I had earlier from BNY. Let's see if we can get some profits on the runner. But just to break it down, because this is probably, it looks like a random trade, but it really wasn't. We closed below, yes, but we didn't close below this major one, and also the 1 hour looks like a brick. So we just had a straight up rejection down and closed no bottom wick almost. Then the new 4 hour opened up and the 4 hour looks like this. Pretty heavy bullish after grabbing these lows down here. And we closed above all this, so made sense for us to come down, giving us the bottom wick and the stop loss that we can trust in. This was steep enough, and yeah, then it chopped around a little bit, but eventually now it pushed and W. That's the magic behind the trade.
W on the stop loss too.
Yeah, I mean, it's the most obvious, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a nice trade.
Yeah, it looks good to keep going. You can even increase this, like, you can even go up and say maybe we come up here because we re-break the highs, but, you know, it's up to you now what you guys want.
W trade, you know?
Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.
We want to call
Don't
it?
call him the whole team
Oh,
for any
shit,
reason. Yeah.
Yeah, let's call it.
Yeah. Walk time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, then come back tomorrow for NY.
Every
Yes,
day.
sir.
Yeah, and join
Yes,
the
sir.
Discord and post your trading sounds so we can
Yeah.
vote on a winner.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Yeah. W trade, W session. W's everywhere as always, and let's run it back and enjoy the day.
Yep.
So, all right, my brothers and everybody, and Lil SumSum, I guess what we'll be back, and are you gonna do a market open, Amy, or
I'll let you know, bro. Mostly yes, of course.
okay?
But if it's not happening, I'll drop it in the Discord. Otherwise, it's happening.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
else?
Nah.
Then
No
just
last
remember
words.
then, all you guys need is Lil SumSum. Right then. Have a blessed day,
Hey.
everybody.
Peace.
He-
W.